I forgot to record. Okay, now I just got whatever we have here. Okay, so this is wherever in a China. This is China EDF. Okay, so actually we need to see this one, CN. Okay, CN1 China one is already retreat from high side here. Okay, you already once have a sign of a weakness. This one already start moving down, and I think now is in the already come drop to a immediate support here. Okay, immediate support here. That's why you can see a few tests here, like SP and test. Okay, all these SP and test is a sign of a strength. Okay, coming in to support the market. But however, this one is still in a very dangerous support, because it might be have a chance of breaking down. Okay, once it has been breaking down, your next support level will be at this level. Okay, this is will be the zone. Okay, so for it to have a small, if he can rebound here, will be better. Then have a chances to going back here. If he drop back to rebound here, then the chance only maximum reach back here. Okay, only they will be have a two develop. This one might, if rebound, they have a maybe break out this one, retest and coming out. Then will be a totally change of structure. Other than that, this one will be can break down to here, then come the support and hit back this resistance. So when he come to this resistance, likely it will be coming down to zigzag again, to accumulate again before he's try the second time. If he break down here, likely to form a W recovery. At here, supposed to be, if the recovery is strong, supposed to be here, start to rebound. Okay, but however, if here they need to reach here, then will be already momentum will be a little bit weak. So that's why when you're seeing the VF here, now is almost in the inch of ML line. Okay, so if this one break down lower, also this one will break down below a ML line. Once below the ML line, that means the momentum has been this upward momentum is already lost. Okay, so then will be immediate rebound is very, very unlikely already. So they need to reaccumulate the strength. Okay, so before it's moving up again. Okay, so the good news is, if he can support in this line, that means you still create a higher low. Okay, a higher low major structure. Okay, so this one still will be good, better that is continue going down and down like this. Okay, so this is a US China market, but China market sometimes can anything happen also. Okay, so once the COVID coming back, a lot of city shut down back, then will be not that good. Okay, this is for China. Okay, and next one we'll go for okay, I go to our Malaysia. Okay, Malaysia actually is have been forming a very good here. Okay, because it has been some hang here. Maybe it's loading something. Okay, so it's back on to change this thing. Wait, there is something with the Firefox. Okay, so hold on. Okay, on my mouse like is not functioning very well. Hold on. I think because of the Firefox has a problem. Hold on. Okay, I think I need to restart my Firefox again. Okay, and restart again. Sorry. Okay. There's some not sure what happened is some software problem or my computer problem. Okay, so okay, so now we are back on we'll go back to the chart. Okay. Waiting it for a load. Sometimes maybe the line is not so clear. Wait, it's a bit slow here. Okay. Okay, he's come back to this one. Okay, so this one I go back to our Malaysia one. Okay, this is Malaysia. Okay, so it looks like it's a very good rebound. Okay, from the low. Actually, from low here, if you go for a weekly chart, this weekly chart is really short that actually it's empty here. Okay, and the immediate the first support that luckily we have a very good support around here. It did not break the 1407. Okay, when he touching here also it look like wow, very dangerous last 2 weeks. Okay, so but however last week has here there's certainly we have a very good rebound. Okay, I changed to our the futures. Okay, so but however one thing that is a very uncertain is you can see here when you have a sharp drop, usually we will have something like this volume. Okay, this type of volume, and until here got a very higher and higher volume. Okay, but however when okay, but one thing is funny is we don't see any high volume coming in. Okay, to justify this a long spread bar. Okay, it's usually a long spread bar. Okay, you need to have a high volume to justify the buying momentum going up. And one more thing is when we are using a weekly chart, you can switch on to this a volume profile chart that means bar by bar one. It's very funny is this one the weight is below here. Okay, so this one you need to pay attention on this one. Usually when you have a really genuine going out, you will see something like this. You will see something like this. Okay, but here we also have a small one here. Okay, but the second one need to be approved with a higher volume lah. Okay, so usually we need to have something like the volume profile is best is above. Okay, because it's like more volume is pushing up higher. Okay, so but now it's look like still a lot of or maybe this one can be the digest is here a lot of smart money or government coming in to support the market. Okay, but also it will be good news is that mean here they're still not yet run away yet. Okay, that mean usually retailer jump in, they jump out one. Okay, so but however supposed to be the first bar supposed to be the smart money is leading. Okay, so only maybe you reach until a certain bar, you only form a uptrust before everything is coming down. Okay, something like this. Okay, this is a weekly, but this one is not really look like a very strong one. But hopefully the second one come to break it up this line lah. Okay, so because in a weekly chart, this one actually is the last time is the support, now become a resistance already. Okay, so they need to have a breakout, come down, and have a recovery back. But however, I'm looking at Malaysia also not have many good news. It's one thing that is also the Malaysia debt. Okay, Malaysia debt in 2022. Okay, so our debt is getting higher. Okay, this is one thing that is getting higher. When you have getting higher debt, this is because of now Malaysia have this one when you have you come to this ringgit Malaysia. I change to ringgit Malaysia. Where is my ringgit Malaysia? Okay, this one. Okay, ringgit Malaysia. We are now actually when we are switched back to a weekly chart, we are at the whole height here. Okay, next we're going to be this one. This one will be quite a scary position. This one, okay, will be come back to 4-5. Okay, this one when they are moving up indirectly will cause this thing going up too. Okay, the debt will going up too, because debt is all calculate actually. The world debt is all calculated in USD. Okay, USD after that transfer back to we will calculate in Malaysia ringgit, but when we are pair back to the debt, we all into in USD. When you have in a USD, if USD is continue strengthen, like let's say next week is up another 75. Okay, so Malaysia ringgit will be in more trouble. Okay, and our OPR cannot be increased because in August no OPR will be increased. The next one will come is in September. So this one if continue moving up, I think the debt will be indirectly we become more poorer already. Okay, we need to pay more tax. Pay more debt. Okay, so that's why when you are in this type of situation, very unlikely we will be have a very how to say this one is hold on, this one I think I need to switch back a few chart again. Okay, so just now that okay, so while waiting the loading, we go back to our this KLCI. Okay, so when you have not really a good news, you need to be justify this rebound to be continue running, something like this. Okay, something like this. If you can have something like this, then will be a very good very aggressive. Okay, so during this time is a recovery, I think this one, and the government also getting a stable here, so you have a very good run of about 200 point here. Okay, so if this one can be quick, will be out of all the problem. Okay, but however, I think this one might be unlikely to happen first, because we usually for chart develop, okay, there will be facing some rebound when you hit back this 200 MA. Okay, in a lot of a chart when it will be have a problem when have a resistance to go up when you are hitting this 200 MA. Okay, so that's why you need no more good news coming in continue to like giving resources for the market to continue running. Okay, but however, next week everything's affected in if US market affected, Malaysian market will also affected. Okay, so this is a little bit about Malaysia, and we now go for more maybe I'll go to a trade VSA 360. Okay, see what have a stock we can have a look. Okay, if you have any stock you need to have a look. I also you can type it here. Then I can also have a look if I got extra time. Okay, so I get back this thing. I get back a few chart to be come out first. Okay, so this one okay, running. Okay, so as for members, I think you already be noticed a new function is here. New function. Okay, so Pentagon guide. Okay, so you can easily switch the market here, which market you need to go in. Okay, so and you can also you can see here a very nice development by Martin. Okay, of all this headline, actually it's look like a headline. Okay, so coming out here. Okay, so okay, got one is okay. So before I go for that, I will go for the glove first. Okay, so as we can know, this news. Okay, this one I go to Harta Lega, and also our famous Top Glove. Okay, Top Glove. Okay, become a penny store. Really, never. I think past few years. Okay, you will never know. You will never believe this thing might be happening now in Top Glove. Okay, so that's why in share everything can be happen. Okay, so this is a weekly chart for Top Glove, and this is a weekly chart for Harta Lega. Okay, so I want to have for a better of the pattern. Okay, so the pattern is you see this one. Okay, here these two round, and also when you are comparing in Hata. Okay, one interesting is the Hata already got 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and the price has been stopped at here. Okay, the price has been stopped at this level. And comparing in the top glove, also the same. Okay, also the same. Okay, so some of the stock when he's dropped so much already until one level, it will be stop already on. It's like a stop at that level, and you can see here is almost a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 week. Okay, so this is a weekly chart, 5 week, and also top cloth also the same, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks already. The mean a whole month plus. Okay, everything is flattened. Okay, flattened, and you can see here the volume is also is not something like this. Okay, not something like this. It's quite average is higher. Okay, average is higher, and also you can see here the Hata is, you can see some of it is like a long short spread bar but high volume one. Okay, so when you have a drop here, you have a high volume, a short spread bar. Okay, either it's like a up and down tail, or a small got tail or got up tail here. Actually, it's quite good. This is forming an absorption. Okay, that means someone has been queuing at this some level, is buy wherever thing is coming a drop to that level. Okay, and a weekly chart, when you see a NS, actually is quite very powerful one. Okay, I think this is have a short term of moving up. Okay, so and this one actually come from the news of this the age market, the age Malaysia. Okay, so when I saw this news about the monkeypox. Okay, monkeypox, that we also know that before the monkeypox start spread into a worldwide. Okay, actually America got already stand by a lot of vaccine. Okay, a lot of vaccine, and already stand by a lot of they have made a lot of vaccine during that time. So, but during that time, the monkeypox still not going up, not spread out of US yet, and it's not many cases. But why they're standby that much of a vaccine also is a puzzling. Okay, so but until now still did not know, but actually this one might be some how to say a trade. Okay, so that's why I see we might be something smart money already know more faster than us. That's why we create it become like if you see the history of Top Glove and Harta Lega, you never see that have a monthly a whole month the price has been sideways, and it like very small sideways and without got any volume, or that mean not, I mean no, not a low volume. Okay, the nearest stagnant is here. Okay, stagnant is here, but you also create a small rebound after that. Okay, so I think this one will also having a small rebound. Okay, so for Hata and Top Glove. Okay, so Top Glove, if you can reach seeing it back, last time flattening is around here, but however this one did not rebound. Okay, so another one is here, same with Harta Lega position. So in compare, I will not prefer Top Glove. If I want to do an investment, I will target Hata. Okay, so even though in Harta Lega, to buy the mother share to rebound at here back to this one is not so I can say that it's not that much lah. Okay, so because from here and to here you only have around a small percentage. From here back to here is about 24% rebound. Okay, but however, if you can benefit from this core warrant, this Hata C96, usually when you have a 24% in a rebound in a mother share, this Hata I think will be more than 50% already. Okay, will be more than 50% for core warrants. Okay, because core warrant, sorry, is more bigger. Okay, it will be bigger than 50%. So it's not a recommended buy or sell, but you can pay attention or look at Hata C96 because it have a long period of expired, and the exercise price also is quite near. It's not far, like 5 ringgit or 4 ringgit. Okay, the ratio is here. You know, if the conversion is a 3 ringgit 50 cents, something like that at this level, and the responsive also quite good. Okay, with the mother share. So if to get a very small rebound, I think you can look at this Hata C96. Okay, so if really this the news or all this has certain alert, let's say just a spark of alert, maybe cause some not saying panic lah, it's cause something like people want to scared buy something or some fear into the market for maybe 1 month, something like that. Okay, so definitely this one I think will be has jump up, and this one the already whole month the volume is here. Is don't know is the last minute to run away or is look like a accumulation. Okay, accumulation on this. Okay, so that's why when we are investing in structure warrant, is the price you can go is more lower. Okay, so if anything break down, we just cut loss only lah. Okay, if you buying the mother share, maybe about 10,000 above you invest. Okay, so for this one, structure warrant, you can invest with a smaller money. Okay, to get benefit if the rebounds really happen, the percentage of profit will be much more higher. Okay, so this one is you may have a look. It's not recommended to buy or sell, but this one is definitely have some chances. You can look into it, see whether you got any opportunity or not. Okay, this is the Hata. Just now is ATAIN. This one, okay. Hata MS. Okay, okay. So this one, weekly chart is not like it's already dropped to a very small body with a high volume. Actually, the Hata is not a bad holding yet. Okay, Hata. Some members is asking about Hata. When you switch to a weekly chart, sorry, a daily chart. Okay, so actually this one supposed to be is a stopping volume. This one is a stopping volume. If you have a bad holding, actually bad holding also same like how to say the stopping volume. But stopping volume usually you have a longer spread. Okay, a longer spread. But this one, after you have dropped, is like a side like this. Okay, so it's still not really forming a very good bad holding. Okay, so also it's a puzzle. Supposed to be here you have something is been going out. That's why here look like Chinese people say mati tak mati. Okay, mau hidup pun tak hidup. Okay, so something is like very still is in a congesting area. But however, when we are using a VF here, you have a blue triangle, and this red triangle actually override by the next blue triangle. That means the momentum built up at the background still good. That means the buying momentum is there. So who buying or who selling, we did not know, but I think unlikely uninformed investor buying in this level. Okay, so and because the volume also is not that big, not small, you know. Okay, so because example in this line is the I put it here, actually is the 20 MA volume average line. Okay, so you can see here, if you are talking about a very small one, it's something like this, but this one is getting also quite high compared here. So that's why I think something is stopping the volume. Okay, so but for this one actually more look like stopping volume. Okay, compare bad holding. Okay, so that one for Hata, I come back to this This stock I really no comment. Okay, so in the chart wise, it's like already how to say it's like no sign of and it's certainly come up here. It's quite a very volatile stock. Okay, from here you come to almost 100%. Okay, but then for the higher, he can drop back and rebound back and coming back here. Okay, so this one is definitely is not really very good structure to trade, because it's not really look like a structure here. I can see example here we have wait, I draw a line, see whether we can see anything here. It like touching, and you don't have you have a support line here. You have a earlier support line here. Okay, so it's the entire thing is like still on the downside. Okay, so it have break two time here, and a rebound. Okay, one thing is good is because of if follow a Wyckoff structure, you have a down, you need to break, then it will be test back again, then only will be a change of structure. Okay, so for this time, this really if you have an insider news, then I think we might be able to trade. But if not, this one is a very hard to it's still in a very hard trade to trade structure. Okay, so this one is not that's the only thing I can talk about in chart. Okay, so we go back to this trade VSA 360. See next week we got any things to look at. Oh, before that, I actually want to show you some of the, if our market is going to rebound, we need to pay attention with some of the stock in our KLCI that can be able to benefit. Okay, one of it I see quite a good one actually is Axiata. Okay, this one is not a recommendation of buy or sell, but this Axiata is look like very good in this last rebound here. Okay, you have price moving up, and you also have a high volume, and this spread is just nice with this volume. Okay, the ratio. Okay, so it's not like the volume is too low, then the bar is too high, something like that. Okay, so this one is quite I think it's going to change structure. It's something like this drop. We dropping. We should be is already on the ways to rebound, because if you can compare the same one like DG and DG. Where is the DG? This is DG start. Wait, DG. Which one is the? Where's the DG already? I mentioned DG. Okay, DG.com. Okay. So DG.com, you see straight away there is a get out, pullback, and it's going up again. Okay, this is a very nice pullback. Okay, and usually it's come after some base has been built. Okay, so that's why this one, if you can compare Axiata is almost forming something before DG is going to rebound again. Okay, so this one we also can see is Maxis. Okay, this is the same category of business. Okay, so you can see here the Maxis also start to turn. Okay, so definitely if the resistance almost is in the 200 MA. Okay, the 200 MA is still so far, and you can see here the DG also quite far. But however, we saw DG something like that, and Axiata and Maxis also already have some some small rebound is coming in. Okay, so this I see the similarity of this tree, and if our market is going up, these two I think is not yet start the engine yet. Okay, so compare, let's say you have a TM. Okay, the telecom. Okay, telecom ratio. You can see actually telecom ratio along when the chart is dropped, it have formed a very nice accumulation. Okay, accumulation here is like zigzag. Okay, so like in the earlier of this program. Okay, I had said that Okay, so what we need to see is breaking out is all about this test. Okay, so when you have a breakout, okay, it's not saying that it will already out of the that means out of anything already. Okay, so the real strength at the behind is when the things pull back and test back this support level. Okay, and you can see the momentum line, the VF has been go up after above ML line if the momentum build up is good. Okay, so that's why like in the US, this one I go back a little bit to US 330. Oh, I do this one more faster. Okay, okay. And we go for a daily chart. Okay, so a daily chart, you that's why when you have a market is going to change structure, it will be a break and usually test here before it going up higher. Okay, so this is the pattern that we are waiting for when we are seeing the similarity in TM. Okay, if US market can develop this pullback and it successfully rebound, then it's a very good. That means the market, I think QE is coming back. Okay, so to power back the stock. Okay, so that's why for this one, the important thing is the test of this support line. Okay, when you have a good test, then you have a good rebound. And we see the similarity is the TM Telecom already going back, and DG also already started, and I see the Axiata and Maxis is not yet. Okay, so I believe this two is also at the end, I think we're going to have a small recovery coming out. Okay, so these two stock can be keep your eye in your list. Okay, to see maintain can see any opportunity lah. Okay, this is two things you may have a look. Okay, so we go back to the agenda of trade VSA 360. Okay, what we seeing here, all sector also not really good. Okay, only some one of the the market is a rebound, but we do not know that is it a genuine or not genuine. One more thing is in this I see this one got the profile from the age. If you buy the when you are buy the, if you have brought the age this week, you pay attention on this Tom portfolio. Tom portfolio for Malaysia portfolio is already fully cash out. It's 100% sell out all their holding. But why he did that, there is an explanation is right there, but I believe maybe that reason is not justified to sell all. That might be something more bigger is coming, cause him to sell all. Okay, so because the entire they will now cash out, holding the cash. As I say, last two Bursa Thrive, I say before, is now is actually good situation to hold cash, because we did not know that this really a dead cat bound. This one might be a dead cat bound also. Okay, so certainly this one going down some more. Okay, so or maybe Monday suddenly got some black swan, is become a beginning of another crisis coming. Okay, as we can know that in a crisis 2008 okay, it also in the last one, it also has a rebound before the big sharp drop is coming. Okay, so always a big drop is happen before you have a small rebound first one. Okay, not saying that we are pessimistic with the market, but need to be cautious. Okay, because in here nothing is not looking good, a lot of data, but all this negative data is did not reflect the direction of our market. So in this situation, better be careful lah. Okay, so that's why you can see here the sector, Malaysia sector still not recovering any yet. Okay, especially energy. we know that the oil price coming down. Okay, so property also more problem. Okay, and retail risks also, because the OPI is coming up. Okay, so will cause their loan debt is more higher. Okay, so all these things is not really look good, but sometimes is healthcare certainly from the last become number one now. Okay, so something is happened. Okay, in the horizon. Okay, so we do not know that maybe next glove rally is a monkeypox. Okay, so Hata definitely one stock that you can really look at. Okay, because Hata is if you see their technology, actually long run Hata is a very good glove company. Okay, so he got a lot of how to say, the technology making glove without using a massive of labor. Okay, there's no labor issue. Okay, so along during the USA that we are using a lot of labor for exploit that the labor force to do the glove. Okay, Hata is not in the list. Okay, Hata actually is quite very good in their automation of making a lot of glove. Okay, so this one for long term also is a good stock. You can look at it. Okay, so another one is we need to see is the Bursa foreign fund. Okay, so it's look like a little bit coming in here. Okay, so we do not know it's a genuine one or not. Okay, so because it come in, go out is much more. Okay, but because last few days, okay, our market going to turn. Okay, so the foreign fund is caused by definitely is caused by foreign fund. Okay, only foreign fund coming in, our market will be more live. Okay, but however, a small money on this one, the effect of KLCI is higher. Okay, or with this small of money. Okay, so that's why when they buy in, I think it's not just justify the strength and the background yet. Okay, then better be careful with a certain correction might happen. Okay, so this is trade 360, and for this week I have got one stock other than telecom. All the telecom you need to have a look on it. Okay, Hata, and another one actually is a Bursa. Okay, it's a Bursa Malaysia. Sorry, forgot. Bursa. Okay, Bursa. Okay, okay, Bursa here because it like testing at this moment. Okay, so I change it back to weekly daily chart. Okay, this one have a very good rebound. Okay, have a good rebound, and the momentum line is look like going to change back above VF, going to above back this ML line. Okay, you can see here you have a very big can consider a big wash here. You have a sharp rebound here. Okay, well, one thing is minus is the volume is not yet coming in yet. Okay, the volume still not really good yet. If suddenly in Monday if form a uptrust, then it's end of the story lah. So nothing to see already. Okay, but if Monday still can break up this 200 MA, okay, and the volume is getting higher some more. Okay, then look for the pullback. Okay, and this usually when stock hit this 200 MA, it will have a pullback one. Okay, so if the volume is justified good, you pull back, look for a SP coming in. If any SP, I think this one will be another jump up. If our market is moving sideways or still hanging, okay, no deja vu, a big drop. Okay, so this stock also works to to have a look. Okay, Bursa actually also quite if a lot of activity in the Bursa, actually Bursa market is very good stock. Okay, but however this one I see a small rebound here. It's not like quite got some chances to breaking up higher. Okay, so this one also one of the stock that is come from this scanner. Okay, when you open up the Pentagon guide. Okay, Pentagon guide now Martin had add in a lot of good features inside it. Okay, when you are using the PGTB, okay, when you active the PGTB, okay, you also have a stage 1 change to stage 2. That means from accumulation it changed to don't all buy dog love. Okay, so in compare, I see that Hata is more better than dog love. Okay, better be careful, dog love. Okay, so this one is like the stage 1 to stage 2. Okay, you have you when you have sort out this one. Okay, and I want to show you a very good progress in 360. Okay, is if the I think here mostly is already members. If you are not in a members of a trade 360, I think you also can try it out. Okay, or try to know more about this system. This system is actually now it has been upgraded quite very good. Okay, example, when we go to 18 July, you use this PGTB, you click this one and you default lah. Okay, these three different type of a default setting. That means actually this is a methodology. Okay, like Wyckoff methodology. So and here there is a three methodology. This is quite powerful. Can be helping you to identify the correct stock in this current violence market. Let's say example, you can select a stage 1 to stage 2 stock. Straight away you can see this stock actually if you are jump in 18 July, straight away now is your position is 2.13%. Okay, this is a very small percent I know, but you can know the accuracy is quite very good here. Okay, when you go for bottom fishing, definitely no. This that means no bottom fishing in here. Okay, and you will have, let's say you don't use this PGDB, you go for growth stock, then you select in the mid of stage 2. Okay, also no stock, you can go for wait lah, this one I go back to this one, submit first. Okay, this is all the stock, and let's say we go for grow, that means a potential growth stock. Okay, so you can see even though you don't use the default, you're using a default methodology, actually you can see here the winning rate is why the winning rate here is 100%. Because all the selected stock from the day you have jump in 18 July. Okay, that means in the market is going to bullish. This one will give you a very good signal. Let's say this is a market is in the red color, and this is a market in the blue color. Okay, even though in blue color, that means actually the momentum already start build up. Okay, once you meet the actually this is a red color, this means the market is pull back only, it's not drop. Because for market to going up higher, they need to have a pullback. Okay, once you have a pullback, then you come out with all this the next. That means, as we know that last week the market is quite bullish. When the market is bullish, then you can need to position yourself in some stock. But what stock you need to jump in, you did not know one. Okay, but with this latest update from this trade VSA 360, you use this growth stock. You can see here among the growth stock they have been offer you how many stock? Okay, total of 39 stock. Okay, out of 39 stock, all positive. That means all positive. Then you no matter how you mati you tutup mata, you try to select one. Okay, it do not cause you to loss. Okay, and if you can when you are applying also the methodology of how to read chart, okay, then you can pick a better chart to invest. Is already rebound 6 to 7%. Although this is not a very big percentage, but in this type of a violence market, actually it can be said that this one actually is very good. Okay, example, let's say I select at 20. Okay, at 20 of July, okay, total I submit, then we go for a growth stock. Okay, when we come to a growth stock, the maximum you can get is 6.8. Okay, and the lowest one is minus 1.338. Okay, in stock market, really we have some risk there. Okay, but you can see the risk is already been very minus out. You can see the winning rate is almost 62.5%. This is one thing that is quite a very impressive system. Okay, so that's why for members also, when you are already select the Pentagon guide list, okay, so when you are, let's say, in this coming 22 July, this is last Friday, okay, so when you are selecting, let's say, I usually use growth stock in as a basic, okay, as a basic. Then after that, I will use the turnover, okay, turnover one, okay, I if this one is already we know like okay, para transit already go up continuously, okay, will it going up higher is puzzle, but you need to go back to your methodology of trading. Let's say your trading is using breakout standard. Let's say you are going to example, I just add in this one into here. Okay, I print out the chart for us to much more easy to have a look. Okay, so usually some of the stock when it break this 200 ml, it did not pull back one. It's like continue going up. Okay, and so far we don't see any uptrend yet. Okay, uptrend yet. Okay, so if you're using a breakout methodology, you need to go in at this level already. Okay, if you are using a pullback methodology, there's no pullback. Okay, so only this one. Okay, and his break is did not come back and test before he jump up again. Okay, straight away is break up the structure and he's continue running. Okay, so if you are using a pullback method, you won't catch this type of stock one. Okay, so only a breakout structure you can catch this kind of stock. Okay, so no matter how what pattern you are used, okay, you can always apply. Let's say example now you go for a turnover, you can see a lot of stock here. Okay, a lot of stock. Another is FM. Okay, a lot of FM here. This one is has been dropped below the support line, and the support line now is coming back. Okay, you can see here there is a SP here. Okay, in this volatile market, you talk about this one's continue going out, shoot out like that, I think it's unlikely lah. Okay, from here to here is almost 20%, so might be unlikely, but we are targeting here, or this line here is almost maybe a 10% rebound. Okay, a 10% rebound in such a violent market now actually is a very things to test the system. Okay, if you have a system is very in a only work in a very rosy market, actually is no use, right? Because in a rosy market, total matter you buy stock also already can get. Okay, but how the market, how a system can survive in a downturn market and then while a very high volatile market. Okay, so that's why this one it will show a very good result in filtering out a stock. But definitely, if next week certainly the US interest rate come out is higher than expected, or certainly the stock been sell down, but I think US government will try to support it. Okay, if really QE come, that's the turning point that we are going to reinvest in the stock already. Okay, so what stock to invest? I think definitely we using a Pentagon buy guidance system, and I usually use growth stock. Okay, for if you don't use growth, also you can use for FAD though. That's why I come up with finding this Bursa and this FM. Okay, because I see this both overlap also have. Okay, grow and FAD though. Okay, Bursa and FM. Okay, so I see this one. See next week how is developed and how much it has been rebound. Okay, so I think now a little bit over time here. Okay, is okay. Then we see next week how it developed. Okay, I think I will stop here and have a night rest. Okay, so next week see in the Monday any hopefully no deja vu happen. Okay, So no black swan happen. Okay, so hopefully the bull runs continue running back. Okay, if anything, then a lot of, if not uncertain, better next week don't trade. Okay, you'll always have a chance, your right to don't trade. Okay, wait until all the dust clear, only trade. Okay, the market's always there, so no need to be rushed. Okay, that's all. Okay, so thank you. Have a and good night.